Vitamin B6 is a powerhouse nutrient that plays a vital role in maintaining a strong and healthy immune system. Often overlooked in the conversation about vitamins, B6 is essential for proper brain development, nervous system function, and, most importantly, for supporting the body's defenses against illness and infection. If you're looking to give your immunity a natural boost, incorporating foods rich in vitamin B6 into your daily diet is a smart and effective strategy. Let's explore why vitamin B6 is so crucial, how it works in your body, and which foods you should prioritize to keep your immune system at its best. First, it's important to understand what vitamin B6 actually does. This water-soluble vitamin, also known as pyridoxine, is required for over 100 enzyme reactions involved in metabolism. One of its most significant functions is supporting the production of hemoglobin, the molecule in your blood that carries oxygen to your cells. B6 also assists in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, which help regulate mood and keep your brain functioning optimally. But when it comes to immunity, vitamin B6 is indispensable. It helps your body produce antibodies, proteins that identify and neutralize foreign invaders, like viruses and bacteria. A deficiency in vitamin B6 can leave you more susceptible to illness, fatigue, and even mental fog. So, where can you find this immunity-boosting vitamin in your everyday foods? Let's start with some of the richest sources. Chicken, particularly chicken breast, stands out as one of the best sources of vitamin B6. Lean, versatile, and easy to prepare, chicken breast can be included in everything from salads to stir-fries. Just a single serving provides a significant portion of your daily B6 needs. This makes chicken not only a protein powerhouse, but a key player in supporting your immune system. Next up is fish, especially fatty varieties like salmon and tuna. Salmon is celebrated for its omega-3 fatty acids, but it's also packed with vitamin B6. Tuna, whether fresh or canned, is another excellent choice. These fish are not only delicious, but also provide a nutritional punch that benefits your heart, brain, and immunity. Adding fish to your weekly meal plan can go a long way toward keeping your vitamin B6 intake on track. Let's not forget about plant-based options. Chickpeas are a fantastic source of vitamin B6, making them ideal for vegetarians and vegans. Whether you enjoy them in hummus, salads, or hearty stews, chickpeas deliver a generous dose of B6 along with fiber and protein. Lentils also deserve a mention. They're loaded with B6 and other essential nutrients, and they're easy to add to soups, curries, and side dishes. Bananas are another surprising source of vitamin B6. Often touted for their potassium content, bananas also offer a steady supply of B6, making them an excellent snack for anyone on the go. They're easy to digest and naturally sweet, providing a quick energy boost while supporting your immune system. Potatoes, especially baked or roasted, contain a decent amount of vitamin B6 as well. This humble root vegetable is incredibly versatile and can be paired with a variety of proteins and vegetables to create balanced, nourishing meals. Sweet potatoes, in particular, are rich in B6 and add vibrant color and flavor to any dish. Sunflower seeds are a convenient and nutritious snack that can help you meet your vitamin B6 requirements. Toss them into salads, sprinkle them on yogurt, or enjoy them on their own. Sunflower seeds are a simple way to boost your intake of this important vitamin. Avocados, known for their creamy texture and healthy fats, also provide a good amount of vitamin B6. Adding avocado slices to your toast, salads, or sandwiches not only enhances flavor, but also supports immune health and overall wellness. Spinach and other leafy greens are packed with a variety of vitamins and minerals, including B6. Whether sautéed, blended into smoothies, or tossed in salads, leafy greens are a must-have for anyone looking to strengthen their immunity through nutrition. Fortified cereals can also be a great source of vitamin B6, especially for those with busy lifestyles who need quick and easy meal options. Look for whole grain cereals that list vitamin B6 on the nutrition label to ensure you're getting an effective boost. As you integrate these vitamin B6-rich foods into your diet, remember that variety is key. Eating a wide range of foods not only ensures you get enough B6, but also provides other essential nutrients that work together to support your body's natural defenses. Try experimenting with different recipes, combining animal and plant-based sources for maximum benefit. Now, you might be wondering how much vitamin B6 you actually need. For most adults, the recommended daily intake is between 1.3 to 2 milligrams, depending on age and gender. This amount is easily achievable through a balanced diet. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have specific health conditions, your requirements may be higher, so be sure to consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice. It's also worth noting that cooking methods can affect the vitamin B6 content of foods. For example, boiling can cause some loss of B6, while roasting, grilling, or steaming tend to preserve more of the nutrient. Whenever possible, opt for gentler cooking techniques to retain the maximum amount of vitamins in your meals. Beyond food choices, lifestyle factors such as stress, sleep, and physical activity can influence your immune health. While vitamin B6 is a powerful ally, it works best when combined with other healthy habits. Make sure you're getting enough rest, managing stress, staying hydrated, and exercising regularly to keep your body resilient. In summary, vitamin B6 is an essential nutrient that plays a critical role in keeping your immune system strong and responsive. By focusing on foods like chicken, fish, chickpeas, bananas, potatoes, sunflower seeds, avocados, spinach, and fortified cereals, you can easily meet your daily B6 needs and give your body the support it needs to fight off illness and stay healthy. Remember, small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your overall well-being. Start incorporating these vitamin B6-rich foods today and feel the difference as your immunity gets the boost it needs to keep you feeling your best every day.